Chapter 6 Process to compel appearance. Section 61 to 90. A summons issued by the court must be in writing, duplicate, signed by the presiding officer of a court or other officers as directed by the High Court. How are summons served? By police officer, by officer of the court, by authorized person, by authorized public servant, all. Summons of a court can be served by police officer and officer of a court, public servant. Where the serving officer deliver or tender the copy of summons to get defendant personally or his agent, he must require such person to sign an acknowledgement of service to be endorsed or the original summons. Then the original summons with the defendant's signature thereon will be returned to the court. Under which section of CRPC the summons may be served by leaving it with some adult member of the family of the concerned person. Section 64. Under Code of Civil Criminal Procedure, substituted service of summons can be made by affixing a summons on house. A criminal case's service of summons can be made on the witness by the registered post AD. An arrest warrant of criminal cases shall be signed by presiding officer of the court. Point out incorrect answer. The requisites of valid warrant are: it must state the name of the accused but the address is not necessary, is incorrect. It shall be in writing, it shall be signed by presiding officer of court, it shall bear a seal of the court. How long the warrant of arrest shall remain in force? Until executed or cancelled. The police officer shall be hearing the arrested person before the court without any delay. This is mandate of Section 76. Under Section 77 of CRPC, a warrant of arrest may be executed at any place in India. Under Section 77 of CRPC, a warrant of arrest may be executed at any place in India. A warrant of arrest may be executed in any place in India. A warrant issued in term of CRPC may be executed in all places in India. What does the expression transit remand denote? It is taking out of accused by police from one state to another state. Under which section of CRPC person is avoiding execution of warrant may be proclaimed absconder. Section 82. Under Section 83 1A of CRPC, court may order attachment of property of a person absconding after proclamation. Which one of the following group of section of CRPC deal with proclamation and attachment? Section 82 to 86. Under which section of the CRPC a proclamation for the person absconding may be issued? Section 82. Which one of the following is correct statement as per the Section 82 and 83 of CRPC 1973? The court may order attachment of property of a person after publication of written statement under Section 82 requiring him to appear before it. Penalty for non-appearance in case where a declaration has been made under Section 82 Clause 4 of CRPC pronouncing a person to be a proclaimed offender is provided under Section 174 of the IPC, 174A of the IPC. When a warrant cannot be executed, court may proceed under Section 82 and 83. In CRPC, the procedure of proclamation for any person absconding or attachment of property is provided under Section 82 to 86. Under which section court can issue proclamation for declaring a person absconder under CRPC? Section 82. A warrant of arrest and a proclamation under Section 82 of CRPC were issued simultaneously. The later consequential order of attachment under Section 83 was also issued is a legality of this order. The order under Section 82 is illegal and improper, violating the consequences of order of attachment. Period of appearance of proclamation issue under Section 82 of CRPC is not less than 30 days. A proclamation under Section 82 of CRPC can issue against a person against whom warrant has been issued. This proclamation can be issued against all of these: accused, offender, COT, witness. If the court has a reason to believe that a person against whom the warrant is issued is absconding or concerning himself, the court may issue a proclamation. The person above mentioned should be any of the above: accused, witness, any person. Under which section of CRPC an order for attachment of property of a person absconding may be passed at any time after the issue of proclamation? 83. Attachment of property of the person absconding can be issued simultaneously with issue of proclamation, which is what is the time limit prescribed within which claim objection to the attachment to be made under CRPC? 6 months. In order to compel the appearance of a person who is absconding in spite of a warrant of arrest issued against him, his property may be ordered to be attached simultaneously with issuance of proclamation under Section 82 of CRPC, provided that court is satisfied that such person is about to dispose the whole or any part of his property, about to remove the whole or any part of the property from the jurisdiction of the court. Claim and objection of the attachment of property to a person absconding must be preferred within how much period? 6 months. Under which section of CRPC attachment of property or a person of the absconding is made? Section 83. Attachment of a land paying revenue to the state of a person absconding shall be made through collector or a district where the land is situated. Under Section 83 of CRPC, any person other than the proclaimed offender can file objection relating to attachment of property. What will be the time limit from the date of attachment? 6 months. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property and shall proceed on the appearance within 6 months from the attachment, 2 years from the attachment. Warrant may be issued in lieu, and the addition to the summon recording reason in writing is a condition precedent. Is this statement true? Every warrant of arrest shall remain in force until executed or cancelled by the court which issued it. When an irregularity caused by the competent magistrate in doing one of the following work would make the proceeding void under CRPC, attach or sell the property under Section 83. Under the CRPC, court empowered to summon any person as a witness at any stage of inquiry, trial proceeding. Where the defendant is confined in the prison, the summons shall be delivered or sent to officer in charge of prison for service on the defendant. The court may compel the attendance of any person whose summons have been issued under the provision of CRPC for the purpose of issue a warrant, attach or sell the property.